Aswaddin Owaisi want to see as the new Chaukidar of India?
Who? I want. I don't.
Rahul Gandhi or Narendra
No, I
Modi?
don't want a Chaukidar. I want an Imandar. I want a person who believes in India's constitution. You know, who understands the ethos of this constitution. I don't want a prime minister to stand up and say Kabristan, Shamshan, 1200 साल की गुलामी के बाद सत्ता मिली है. You know, I want a prime minister who would stick to the constitution. Simple as that.
Okay. So between Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi, who do you want to see as the next Prime
Again, you're
Minister?
stuck with. See, that is the problem with Delhi journalists. You're stuck with Rahul Gandhi and Modi. I am saying there are many regional
Okay,
leaders.
who? Okay, the field is open. Who?
No, any
Who
regional
do you want
leader.
to see as the next Prime
It
Minister?
is for people of India. to
Take a
decide.
name, Mr. Owaisi. How difficult is that?
It's not difficult. You see, it is for the people of India to decide. I am saying that KCR and other regional leaders are as qualified to lead this
You're
nation.
pretty stuck on KCR. Do you want KCR to be the next
No, I
Prime
am not
Minister?
saying that. I am saying that this whole binary of either Rahul or Modi. No, I am saying they are regional leaders like Mamata Banerjee. They are regional leaders like Mayawati. They are regional leaders like KCR. Are we short of leaders in this country who can lead this nation? No. This country is huge. This country is not starved of people who have that vision. It is BJP and Congress who wrongly assume or falsely assume and give out this message that only we have the ones to lead this nation. No, you both have failed completely in 2009 and 14. Where have your promises led this nation to? And this whole struggle of regional party leaders is that federalism. Why should there be so many subjects in concurrent list? Why should they not be in the state list?
So out of these regional leaders, Mr. Owaisi, just want to understand, who do you think is best qualified for the position?
Everyone is qualified. Everyone is qualified. I'm pretty much sure that if one of them leads the nation, at least,
And you are everyone in
listen to me, at least while reading from a teleprompter, he or she would not say MRS says. Will not say that. At least, minimum. I can guarantee you that. If anyone leads the nation, at least reading from teleprompter, that he or
That
she...
was just a mistake.
Oh yeah. I mean, how many mistakes? How many mistakes can you do? नाले में गड्ढा है, गैस निकल रहा है, पाइप डाल के चाय बनाए. या चाय कौन बनाते? अब आप ये बताइए, आप नाले में से गैस लेके चाय बनाते हैं या गैस से बनाते? ऐसा बनाते आप? गैस से बनाते. नाले में गैस. At least that will not be said. And thirdly, anyone he or she becomes will not go uninvited to Pakistan. We will not go uninvited to Pakistan. These are what this nation wants. We will see that was this pluralism of India, the diversity of India should be reflected. And unfortunately, BJP and Congress don't reflect that diversity.
So when the Prime Minister says that pakoda banane wala,
पकौड़ा बनाएंगे ना. It's very interesting that the Mudra scheme, they say 15 crore beneficiaries. 90% of them have got only 50,000 rupees. No, even a pakoda bandi cannot be started in 50,000 rupees. Who are you fooling? See, this, this camouflage or this gloss over BJP has come out now. It has come out now. You go and ask anyone over here. They say, क्या है आपकी issue क्या है नौकरी का है महंगाई का है. And then this all RSS harping on questioning the patriotism of Muslims. This area where we are sitting is surrounded by all defensive fighters. You should go inside and ask them, have you faced any problem? No. Have anyone thrown a stone? No. Have anyone done a dharna? No. So this is what it is. This game of RSS has been understood very clearly by the people of India.
Mr. Owaisi, you talk about, sadak, pani, bijli, employment, all of that. We understand. But sir, would you also agree that in these elections, post Balakot, the narrative has been weaved around that. The BJP on and off, directly, indirectly, is taking credit
No,
for that.
no,
and
no,
the government,
no.
and the government is seen to be decisive, because 2008, after that big attack in Mumbai, the Congress government did not go and they did not take any action. Now there are officers who've gone on record saying that the army and the navy and the air force was ready to attack, but the government did not decide to do any of those things. This government has been seen to be decisive. The narrative is around Balakot. Would you agree? You can't get away from that.
No. See, as far as Balakot is concerned, when the Foreign Secretary came out with a statement, I said yes, we stand by it. When the Indian Air Force chief came out with a statement, I said we stand by it.
You've not questioned it.
No, I'm not.
No.
Secondly,
No.
it is the BJP which has landed themselves in a huge problem. They have landed in a quicksand. The Home Minister of India says NDRO had seen 300 cell phone signals they managed. Agriculture Minister gives a figure of 300. Amit Shah gives a figure of 250. Ahluwalia says that our intention is not to kill. I want to know from the Prime Minister of India, is the Foreign Secretary's statement is true, which I believe, or what is your cabinet minister saying? Why don't you stop them? Why are you allowing them to say all these things? We as Indians, we have accepted the statement, the first statement given the government of India. Now here you have BJP as a party giving these numbers. Why? And where is Balakot now? It is not Balakot, it is now Chowkidar. The narrative has shifted because BJP has realized that it is not going to give them huge political gains, despite Yedurappa saying we'll get 25 seats. Did I say that? Yedurappa said with this attack we'll get 25 seats. Who's using this? It is BJP. And I
But it is being laughed at by the people.
people of India, when the Balakot happened, they said yes, okay, the government has come out, statement to stand by. Afterwards, this continuous statements given by Mr. Rajnath Singh, given by Agriculture Minister, given by Amit Shah, given by Ahluwalia, either given by people are saying, "Kya kar rahe ho? Ye to roti sek rahe, siyasi roti sek rahe." That is gone.
इसका फायदा नहीं हुआ.
क्या होगा? आप इसमें फायदा लेना चाह रहे क्या? अच्छा, अगर इसमें फायदा लेना चाह रहे don't take advantage of it. I want to know who's responsible for Pulwama. Has any IB officer been suspended? Has any minister been dropped? We don't know. Mr. Modi does not want to talk about it. How did 30 kg or 150 cardiacs went in there? Who's responsible for that? Isn't it an IB failure? Isn't it a political failure? You're ruling the government. Why do you allow this to happen? Why is it that your own MP, General Khanduri, said that we have the lowest spending on arms for 1960? Why did the CAC report say that we have only 10 days of ammunition left if there's a war? No, these are things which we'll also ask. You are making us ask all these questions because you are trying to take a political capital out of the bravery of our soldiers and of our Air Force pilots.
At least you are not one of those leaders who's asked for proof. You're
No, I
not
will
one
not.
of those leaders who's
I
questioning.
am questioning Rajnath Singh. I am questioning Ahluwalia. I am questioning the Agriculture Minister. I am questioning Amit Shah. What is it that you know and the nation does not know? And if you know those numbers, then how isn't that the breach of the cabinet secrecy? How can Amit Shah say 250? Was he briefed by the National Security Advisor? But these are questions which they cannot get away.
You can't get away with it.
They will not get away. The more they talk about it, the more these questions will be staring at.
Okay. Now, you think that the parties that have questioned, gone ahead and questioned, those parties will face a reversal of this
So
election?
why, I don't know why they are, why do you have to question when
Congress has questioned. Mamata Banerjee has questioned.
as a member of parliament, I would definitely question and criticize Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah.
But you've not asked for proof.
No, why should I? When my government, my country is saying,
Yeah.
I will be the most, and I am still, and I will be the most bitter opponent of Modi.
Yeah.
But when the government of India says that, then that is it. That is my opinion.
That's enough.
But if politically Rajnath Singh tries to rake up the issue, I will definitely ask him. See, for me, what government says, I will stand by it. Simple.
Hey Allah, तो हम सबकी हिफाजत फरमा। है अल्लाह जालिमों का खात्मा कर दे। है अल्लाह तेरे घर को शहीद करने वालों का खात्मा कर दे। है अल्लाह तेरे घर को शहीद करने वालों का खात्मा कर दे। है अल्लाह शरीयत की हिफाजत फरमा, शरीयत की इबादत फरमा। है अल्लाह कानूनी लड़ाई हम लड़ रहे हैं तेरे घर की बाजियाबी के लिए। है अल्लाह उस कानूनी जिद्दोजहद में हमको कामयाबी और काम लाने का। है अल्लाह उसी मुकाम पर बाकी